Well, hello there. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad that you're joining me today, guys, because I'm making a delicious Italian sausage and orzo bake. This is a perfect weeknight meal. It comes together really quick. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so I have here a pound of Italian pork sausage, but you could also use ground beef if you like. I'm going to add about a half of a cup of chopped onion. And I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. So into a medium-sized sauce pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. So once the butter has melted, I'm going to add 1 cup of orzo. And I'm just going to lightly toast them until you can smell a nutty aroma. This really just adds flavor to your orzo. All right, back to my Italian sausage. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of basil and a half of a teaspoon of thyme. And then I'm going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, all right, I added just a couple tablespoons maybe of water to my can. This just helps get out all the extra sauce. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, so my orzo is done. It's nice and toasted. So now I'm going to add some boiling water. Now you could just boil your orzo pasta just like you would any other pasta, like bringing it up, your water up to a boil and then adding your orzo, but I really like to toast it first. But you don't want to put cold water in your pot. You want to have boiling water to cook your pasta. And I'm also going to season my water with salt. So my orzo pasta is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this sauce and put in the bottom of a baking dish. This is a little smaller than a 9 by 13. And then I'm also going to reserve 1 cup of the sauce. And then I'm going to pour the orzo into the remaining sauce. Then I'm going to pour this into my baking dish. Spread it all out. All right, top with the rest of that sauce. Sprinkle with a cup of grated Parmesan, this is mozzarella. A cup of shredded mozzarella and about a cup of grated Parmesan. All right, then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, just look at this. It smells and looks delicious. Oh, you guys got to check this out. This is so good. And orzo is like rice in size, but it's pasta. But it's nice and saucy. It's not dried out. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.